Hello, this is 2019 Amc 10B number 6. There is a real number n such that n plus 1 factorial plus n plus 2 factorial equals n factorial times 440. What is the sum of the digits n? Okay, so first I'm going to try and take this equation and have it so that I can divide by n factorial. Now I'm going to take n plus 1 factorial and turn it to n plus 1 times n factorial. I'm going to show you why this is true. Let's say that n equals 3. Then I would have, in this right here, I would have 4 times 3 factorial, or 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now that's the same thing as saying 4 times 3 factorial. So we can say that these two are the same. Now when I have n plus 2 factorial, n plus 2 factorial, that is going to be equal to n plus 2 times n factorial, or n plus 1 times n factorial. And you could use that by having the same logic up in here. So n plus 2 factorial is actually equal to n plus 2 times n plus 1 times n factorial. So I'm going to rewrite this equation down here. N plus 1 n factorial plus n plus 2 times n plus 1 n factorial equals 440 n factorial. Now from here I could just divide by n factorial on both sides. I'm left with n plus 1 plus, and then these two. When I do this, I know that people like to use FOIL or whatever, but I just draw a Punnett square. I find it really nice and easy. I just fill it out like you normally would. So I get, and then of course you add up all the like terms, which is going to be the diagonal ones in this case. So I get n squared plus 3n plus 2. And now this is equal to 440. Now I'm going to say n squared plus 4n plus 3 equals 440. N squared plus 4n plus negative 437 equals 0. Now, in case you can't already just look at it and tell, we can't use that like a grouping method or something. Sorry, that was my fingers there. We can't use a grouping method or something to factor this out, so we have to use the quadratic equation, which would give me n equals minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16, or minus 4 squared, plus 437 times 4. All of that is over 2. Okay, now if we say that this is the negative, or first off, here, let me do this. I've already went ahead and I did this, so it's equal to this. Now if we say that it's the negative 1, then that's going to give me a negative value for n, which as we know can't be possible because it's the factorial of n. So that means that n must be the positive 42. So that means that it is 38 over 2, which means that n is equal to 19. Now we go up to the question, we say what is the sum of the digits of n? Well, that is just 9 plus 1, and the answer is 10. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.